there, guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about the 6 habits that changed my life in the past 2 years. Now, before we dive into the habits, let me tell you what healthy habits are all about. Habits that help you grow, empower you, put you on the path to manage your day are the habits you should invest your time and energy in, to nurture it and to practice them consistently. We often feel overwhelmed with and lack of motivation with the things going around us, and these habits just help us stay on track. Now, the very first habit that helped me is getting up early. Now, being a mother of two, it becomes quite difficult to manage your day. That's when I figured out that when I get up early, do my things for myself, is when I am actually able to give time to my kids, my family. At the same time, I am happy too. I love getting up early in the morning and embrace nature, feel the crispness in the air. It just boosts me a lot, and that is what I require first thing in the morning. So I do get up around 5:36 a.m. every day. The second habit that helped me is meditating. Till January 2020, I didn't know what meditating is. I tried, but I failed. But then I stumbled upon various techniques which I used to meditate, and I used one of them. I shall link them in the description box. Now, meditating has helped me go and dig deep within myself, calm my mind, my soul, and my body, and I have been able to tackle the difficult of situation much more easily just because of meditating. The third habit that helped me is journaling. Now, this is different for everyone, but personally, I like to write down how I'm feeling, what I want to do throughout the day, what goals I want to achieve in future, and also gratitude towards everything that I have in my life. I focus on these things and I write it down every single day because I know I would take actions towards making them a reality. Now, there are times I just open my heart out, but I make sure that I do write something because it's not within me and it's out in the paper, so it no longer has any effect on me. And this is true for all the negative emotions that we carry all around us, the guilt, the fear, the overwhelming feeling. All tends to take a major portion of our mind, and it's better that we put it out on paper so it doesn't affect us anymore. The fourth habit that helped me was planning my day ahead. Now, with two kids, it becomes very difficult to manage work and household stuff. So that's when planning my routine or what I would be doing on the same day early morning or a day prior in the night helped me immensely to stay focused and finish the committed work that I had to. And it also helped me time block my entire day schedule so that I could give my dedicated time towards my work, my kids, and my family. The fifth habit that helped me was limiting my screen time before going to bed, and upon waking up, I didn't reach out for my phone. With current times, we can get engrossed in the social media and everything that's going around us without knowing how much of time are we losing from our hands. That's when I decided that I would not touch my phone for 1 hour before going to bed, and upon waking up as well, I do not touch it for an hour. That has helped me immensely. Now, the last habit that helped me was staying positive. Now, this is not a habit per se, but I made it a habit. With the current situation that is going around us and us being engulfed in so much of negativity, we lose sight of the small amazing things around us and we become quite ungrateful, and thus we do live in a negative mindset. But when we change the perception in which we see things, You can see and you can react to things in a positive way, in a different way. If we are in a positive mindset, definitely anything that goes wrong, we will come out with a solution rather than dwelling over why did that happen to us. And that's exactly how I have pulled myself through the pandemic, thus helping me take the driver's seat of my own life. I hope these habits are helpful for you too, as they have been immensely helpful to me. Thank you so much for staying, and I'll see you in my next video.